Watch AI create a financial transactions analysis dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our financial data file. The upload completes instantly, and we click Create Dashboard. Now Bricks AI analyzes our transaction data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's generating multiple chart types automatically, from account balances over time to payment method distributions. The AI creates 5 interactive charts plus detailed summary tables, building our complete financial transactions analysis dashboard. We can instantly customize the theme with just one click, changing the entire visual style. Now let's activate presentation mode for a clean, distraction-free view. This mode removes all editing controls, perfect for sharing insights with stakeholders. The charts remain fully interactive while maintaining that polished presentation look. Notice how smoothly everything flows together in this professional layout. Exiting presentation mode brings back our editing capabilities. We can scroll through to explore all the generated visualizations and interact with every element. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.